What's up everyone? So we're back again at DDTVee. Today we are showing, I can't remember what it is. It's Poopsie Slime Surprise. And we have Amelia here. Give us a wave, Amelia.
Hi.
And we have Mummy. And today we're going to open it and see what it's all about.
I'm Amelia and I'm going to open it.
Go in. Yeah. Get it in.
There's lots of plastic on.
Yeah, I know. There's loads. I opened the lid.
Oh my god.
Take a lid off. I need that.
I should have got scissors. Right. Wait a minute. Hold on. Where's it gone now? Right. We're in. Now look, it says here, unroll here. You've got to get that sticker. And then you pull it round.
Whoa!
Whoa!
If you can't
Wait. Show the camera. Oh, how cute! Look at this!
It's got a unicorn food.
Unicorn
And
food.
unicorn sparkles.
Unicorn magic.
Oh, I got more.
What is that one?
That's the spoon.
Some unknown. Oh, spoon.
Yeah, get off
And
me.
I'm assuming this is the little drippery thingamajig.
The scent.
Oh, is it?
This
It is!
oh, the big one. Mummy, look.
Oh, right. So this is the little thingy.
So this is coconut. I'm going to open this first. Can you open it?
Yeah. We need instructions.
It seems really good.
OMG.
Oh,
Oh,
bottom. You can't shake it.
Oh my gosh. So get out of the way of the camera, Daddy.
So which one have you got?
We don't know yet. We're not broken
what's,
in there.
what's the bottle? Turn the
This
bottle
thing.
around. Oh, so
I
you've
think
got
this
a
Can you open it?
ultra rare
What?
patty.
Oh, look at
It's a burger one. Let's have a look.
And we got ultra rare on our first one.
Oh, how cute is that?
And this is,
And it's
I
an
think, a little
ultra rare one, so that's this one
water
here.
cup. But that's
That's
the thing
this
we've
one
got to
here.
mix it in, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow,
How
look
cute
at that.
is that? Right, now, so,
So it has a bottom. In the bottom of it, that's where you store your slime. Once your slime's been made.
right,
How cute is that?
Look at this thing.
so the instructions.
No.
Oh, what is it? Oh, it's the spoon, isn't it? Right, remove the lid from the included bottle.
Let's have a look at that. Let's have a quick.
Oh, let's got sparkly straw. I don't think you can see that it's sparkling.
Yeah, you can see it's sparkling. Sparkling
Holy
straw. Look at
moly.
that.
Right, fill the measuring cup to the fill line marked 15 ml with water and pour it into the bottle. Then fill and repeat once more.
Even the measuring cup's
Then add
blurry.
5 drops of the surprise scent to the bottle. Right, so I've got some water.
What
here.
scent is this? Have you smelt it yet? So this is the
No,
scent.
yet. That's a little lime. Right,
Has a unicorn on it.
hold on a corn peck a minute. There we go. Right, now
You
what?
can put your slime in it.
Amelia, we need help here. Tear open the unicorn food pop.
Let me put the
Okay.
unicorn food.
Okay, careful though. Look, it's got a little thingy there.
Okay.
I'll open it. You. Oh
It smells like ice cream.
my gosh!
What is that?
I don't know what that is, but it's called unicorn food, and it just squirted at
Have
us.
you put 2 cups in?
I'll put 2 cups in.
Okay.
A transient pink milk.
Oh wow! Get out, Cam. Is it all out?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Let me
It's all up your arm.
check. I know, it's all up my arm too.
About to clean up.
Look! It's gone all funny in there.
Let me see.
Hang on. Right.
Gone pink.
Tightly close the lid on the bottle. Hold the lid and rapidly shake
No,
up and down
that's
for a... No, not yet.
I want to shake it.
Hang on, let me check that it's on properly, otherwise that's going to go everywhere. How do we know that it's on properly?
It'll click.
It's not clicking.
What is this? Oh, there's a unicorn sparkle.
Hang on, wait. Right, so tightly close the lid. You've got to shake the bottle up and down for 1 whole minute. Right, I'll put my timer on. Timer. I can do it. Start. Keep shaking. Quickly, shaking. It's all on me.
What is this?
I don't know, you've got to keep shaking. Look, for a whole minute. Then it says, then let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the slime to harden. What? Then open the lid and remove the slime from the bottle. I think we're going to have to cut while it sits for 20 minutes and come back.
That's how the timer one.
Is it a minute yet, my arm hurts? And then you add the scent and the glitter, I think.
Let me do it.
Gonna shake it fast. Shake it fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It's so pretty though. Is that the minute? Let's give it a couple of extra shakes. And then, right, so now guys, we've got to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the slime to harden. So, we will be back.
Daddy.
So guys, we're back with our Poopsie Slime Surprise. And as we mentioned, we got Patty.
Who isn't
now-
an ultra rare?
Now, the slime's been left for 20 minutes, but it was very, very sticky. My recommendation would be to just give it another shake for a couple of minutes before pouring it out. So let's pour it out, Amelia. And then we've got to add the unicorn magic.
Oh, just love down.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at Oh, yeah, cool. Let's see it spreads. It can spread.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Right, so now you need to put it in the palm of your hand. Put it in the palm of your hand. That's it. So put it in there like that, and what you do is you spread it out a bit. So you spread it out, guys, and then you add your unicorn magic. Add your unicorn magic into the middle. So let's open this.
Don't get it over my hand.
Well, put your hand over the plate. Oh, right then. Whoa.
Oh, what is that?
This is all glittery already. Look, you can see it.
Oh.
Okay, you ready? So we pour.
Get in there.
Right, and then what you do
OMG.
is fold it over, and then you have to keep mixing it now. Oh, let me do it. I know it's all over my hands. What's going on? Let me stretch it. Put it back together, stretch it. Hold on, Bubba. Hold on. Look, there's loads on the plate. Hold on. Get it all. The more we get, the better the colour. Oh, you're making my different colours. So this, I think this is the unicorn magic, which makes it into the pearlescent.
I love pearlescent.
Oh, that's quite a good way of mixing, actually. Look, we're mixing it up.
Let me mix it up. Mix it up.
Whoa, look at that.
Mummy, look.
Look.
Wow, let's show the camera.
Guys, this is sparkly and I very love it. It's going to turn a different colour. It's a bit sticky.
So let's show the guys at home. So this is the slime. And you stretch it. Whoa,
It
hold
can't
on.
Oh, Moses.
So is there any more unicorn magic stuff?
No.
So it went from pink to a pearlescent pink, and it has spark, and it has multicolours when you stretch it. So what do we think of it,
Let me
Amelia?
show the camera.
Let Mummy show the camera. Give it to Mummy.
Eh.
Can you feel it?
Check that out.
Can you give me it now? Look at my hand.
Oh my word!
Ew.
Look at my hands.
Oh, yes. Look at that.
It looks like a Laffy Taffy.
Look. Yeah.
And then what you do is you put your slime in here to store it, but I guess you're going to keep playing with it because you like it so much. So would you have more of this?
Yeah.
What?
And mix it together.
Mix it together,
Yeah, change it to a different colour.
change it all to a different colour.
They are cute. Love it.
But it is for slime, that is very good slime.
Stop it.
Yeah,
don't know how-
especially when you try and make it yourself, it just goes terribly wrong. And
Yeah,
this is
I
perfect.
don't know how they do it, but this costed us $9.99. Cost us $9.99, and just for the slime, it's stretchy and stuff. It's really good slime.
Well,
Can
to
you
buy
put a
like
bit
the
more in there?
DIY slime stuff is stupid expensive. So to have it all and the instructions so that you're not going to waste the stuff and it go wrong, that's
and
way worth it.
some people say,
Oh!
making a trumpy noise. You can't fit all the slime in. Hold on. No, so that is about it for that.
But then you could keep it in the little cup.
Yeah, you can keep it in the little cup. So these little things are meant to be airtight, so your slime won't dry. Look
Yeah,
at that.
this slime won't dry anyway.
Ooh. So cool. Love it.
Alright then guys, so we're now gonna just mess around with slime. So we'll see you all later. Bye!